Now let's go through the basic integration formulas. Those formulas can be handy whenever needed in exams or solving equations. You can use the formulas to find the final solution as easy as plugging in your variables and constants and moving forward. Please take a screenshot and save that for your reference. It could be handy. We will have more of those formulas in form of tables as moving forward to make sure you have all the tools needed to be able to solve your problems in integration as easy and as convenient as possible. This is a handy sheet that I prepared for you as well. You can see you have here derivative rules, and you have properties of integrals, you have integration rules. Those could be handy to have it with you if you have an open book exam or even a closed book with equation allowed. So it could lead you to the final answer as fast as possible.